So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from chapter number 7, Coordinate Geometry. So this is the second set. I have taken questions from my question bank. So let us start with the first question. The points A, B, C and D are the vertices of what? So what we have to do, we have to find all the sides. So थोड़ा जल्दी find करते थे. Let we are going to find AB square. ठीक है, मैं square लेके चल रहा हूँ so that I can skip the square root. So first 3 minus 0, देखो ध्यान से, 3 minus 0 whole square will be 9. Okay, 1 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, 3 whole square is 9. So we are getting 18. Next BC square. BC square, 0 minus 3 whole square, that is 9. And the next one is 4 minus 1, that is 3 whole square is 9. So we are getting BC square is also 18. Now CD square. ठीक है, CD square निकाल रहे हैं हम लोग. CD square, minus 3, 0. So minus 3 whole square, 9. 1 minus 4 is minus 3, whole square is again 9. So we are getting 18. Right. Now the last one is left, AD. AD square. So AD square के हम लोग क्या करेंगे? एक मिनट ये हटा देते हैं. AD minus 3 minus 0 minus 3 whole square, that is 9, and minus of 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2, that is also square, we are getting 9. So all sides are equal we got. Now it may be square also, it may be rhombus. So what we have to do?
Check diagonals.
Yes, we have to check diagonals. Very good. So AC square. AC square और BD square हम लोग निकालेंगे. First AC square. 0 minus 0 whole square, nothing. 4 minus of minus 2, that is 6 square, we are getting 36. So अब BD square. अगर ये diagonal same आ गया तो square, otherwise rhombus. So minus 3 whole square, 36, plus 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we are getting 36. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. All sides, 4 sides are equal and diagonals are equal. So correct answer is square. Now we are moving toward question number 2. The point A 0, 6, B minus 5, 3 and C 3, 1 are the vertices of a triangle which is dash. So we have to find 3 sides. So let us start with the AB square. ठीक है, AB square लेने का फ़ायदा क्या है कि स्क्वायर रूट नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, so minus 5 minus 0, that is minus 5 only, स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 25, plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3, स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 9, so we are getting 34. Right. So now BC square. BC square, 3 minus of minus 5 plus 5 हो जाएगा. So 3 plus 5 whole square will be 8 square, that is 64. And the next one is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, whole square is 4. So we are getting 68. And one more is left, that is AC square. ठीक है, उसको भी निकाल लेते हैं. 3 minus 0, that is 3, square is 9. So AC square is equals to 9, plus next one is 1 minus 6, that is minus 5, whole square is 25. Right. So we are getting 34. Okay. Now see, here the two sides are equal. So it is isosceles triangle. Okay, but AB square plus AC square is also equals to BC square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन डी आएगा. एक्चुअल में दो ऑप्शन करेक्ट नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए इसको एक करेक्शन हम लोग कर लेते हैं. आइसोसेलेस राइट एंगल्ड लिख लेते हैं इसमें. ठीक है, इस ऑप्शन में. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Isosceles right angled triangle. So our option D is correct. इसको हटा देते हैं हम लोग. So answer is correct. Answer is D. Now we are moving toward. किसी को डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 3. Two vertices of triangle are A minus 1 4, B 5 2, and its centroid is G 0 minus 3. सेंट्रॉइड का फॉर्मूला होता है x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 बाई 3, y1 प्लस y2 प्लस y3 बाई 3. ठीक है, तो ध्यान से देखो, x1 प्लस x2 दैट इज -1 प्लस 5 प्लस x3, उसको मैं x ही लिख रहा हूँ, अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 बिकॉज सेंट्रॉइड इज द x coordinate of centroid is 0. So 3 into 0 will become 0, and we are getting here x plus 4 is equals to 0. X plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, so what we are getting?
X is equal to
Minus 4, right. So मैं डायरेक्ट इसमें टिक कर दे रहा हूँ without solving the y. Why? क्यों मैं C ऑप्शन में टिक कर दिया? यस, किसी भी ऑप्शन में x -4 नहीं दिया हुआ है. ओके फाइन. अभी प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैं y भी निकाल दे रहा हूँ. देखो y1 4 प्लस 2 प्लस y इज इक्वल अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल्स टू -3. ठीक है, तो ये 3 इंटू -3 हो जाएगा -9, एंड लेफ्ट साइड वी आर गेटिंग y प्लस 6. Okay, plus 6, if you shift this side it will become -6. So -9 -6 -15 होगा. देखो x coordinate भी सेम, बट एग्जाम में सिर्फ x coordinate निकालते ही मुझे पता चल गया कि C है, तो C टिक कर दो. डोंट गो फॉर फाइंडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ y. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 4. The coordinates of the centroid of a triangle with vertices -1 0 a, b 5 -2, c 8 2. So formula I told just now, x is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y is equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So let us start to finding x coordinate. देखो सभी का x coordinate अलग अलग है, so x coordinate से ही हम लोग को ऑप्शन पता चल जाएगा. So -1 plus 5 plus 8 by 3, right? So what we are going to get? 12 by 3. दिख रहा है?
4.
4.
Yes.
So which option is correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. समझ में आ गया ना? क्योंकि
Yes, sir.
x कोऑर्डिनेट सब में अलग अलग है, तो डेफिनेटली जो मेरा x कोऑर्डिनेट जो आया 4, वही 4 वाला करेक्ट आंसर होगा. If you calculate y, 0 plus -2 plus 2, that will be 0. That is correct answer only. You can cross check with y coordinate, but that is not necessary. Fine. Now we are moving toward question number 5. If -1 1 is the midpoint of the line segment, -3b and 1b plus 4, then the value of b is dash. So we know that the midpoint formula is y1 plus y2 अपॉन 2. मैं y का फॉर्मूला इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि b केवल y में है, राइट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. y प्लस y1 प्लस y2 बाई 2 इज इक्वल्स टू y, एंड y इज गिवन 1. ठीक है, सो विल गेट 2b प्लस 4. 2b plus 4 is equals to 2. So now plus 4 you shift to this side, it will become minus 2. Minus 4. Minus 4, answer is minus 2. So b का वैल्यू कितना है?
-1.
-1, right. So the correct option is B.
Option B.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Y-axis divides the join of P -4 to 8, 3 in the ratio. We know that in y-axis, x coordinate is 0, that is x is equals to 0. ठीक है, and let the ratio is k:1. Let the ratio is k:1. So ध्यान से देखो, मैं x coordinate लिख रहा हूँ, शॉर्ट में लिख रहा हूँ. So m1 x2 that is 8k plus m2 x1 that is -4k upon k plus 1 that is m1 plus m2. हाँ एक मिनट, यहाँ पे k नहीं आएगा, right. 8k -4 upon k plus 1. So k plus 1 into 0 is 0 and we are getting 8k -4 is equals to 0, that is 8k is equals to 4. So this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
So k is equals to 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 7. X-axis divides the join of A and B in the ratio. And we know that on the x-axis y is equals to 0. ठीक है, और रेशियो हम लोग ले लेते हैं k:1. नाउ वी नो दैट y कोऑर्डिनेट फार्मूला, क्योंकि y हम लोग के पास दिया है, इसलिए y ले रहे हैं हम लोग 0. ध्यान से देखो, m1 y2 that is 6k plus m2 y1 that is -3 upon k plus 1. So k plus 1 into 0, 0 हो जाएगा, and what we are going to get, 6k minus 3 is equals to 0, that is 6k is equals to 3. So what is the value of k?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. That is 1:2. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 8. The point P12 divides the join of A and B are in the ratio. So यहाँ पे point दिया हुआ है, दोनों point positive है. So any one you can take. So I am going to take 1, क्योंकि 1 से multiply करना बहुत easy है compared to 2, right? And let the ratio is k:1. ठीक है, अभी देखो x कोऑर्डिनेट ले रहा हूँ मैं, so x कोऑर्डिनेट 1 है. ध्यान से देखो, m1 है ये, m1 into x2 that is 7k and m2 into x1 that is -2 upon m1 plus m2 that is k plus 1. अभी k plus 1 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे with 1. So what we are going to get? 7k
7k
minus 2 is equals to k plus 1, right? So now shift k to this side and -2 to this side. So when you shift k to this side, that will become -k. 7k minus k हो जाएगा 6k, and when you shift -2 to this side, it will become +2. So 1 plus 2 is will become 3. So what is the value of k?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So same answer we are getting, 1:2. Right. Now the next question, what is the midpoint of a line with endpoints -3, 4 and 10, -5? So midpoint का फॉर्मूला होता है x1 plus x2 by 2. ध्यान से देखो, -3 plus 10 by 2, 7 by 2. Next,
3.5.
yes, 3.5. 4 plus -5 by 2, so -1 by 2. So we got this answer. So यहाँ पे देखो कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है?
Option C.
Option C, very good. 3.1 and -0.5. Now we are moving toward question number 10. A straight line is drawn joining the points 3, 4 and 5, 6. If line is extended, the coordinate of the point on the line whose abscissa is -1 is dash. Very good question. देखो एक मिनट, ये क्वेश्चन पहले समझ लो. Suppose this is the point A and B. Okay, point A is 3, 4 3, 4, and point B is 5, 6. Suppose I am marking as like that. Now I am extending up to here. Suppose यहाँ तक मैंने extend कर दिया और उसका abscissa दिया हुआ है -1. Abscissa means x coordinate, right? We have to find ordinate. तो उसको मैं y ले रहा हूँ. अब समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
राइट
Yes, sir.
सो अभी हम लोग को ये y निकालना है, तो उससे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, विल फाइंड द रेशियो. ओके, तो रेशियो के लिए ध्यान से देखो 5. अच्छा, ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है हम लोग एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल से भी निकाल सकते हैं. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हम लोग पढ़े हैं बट सिलेबस में नहीं है, बट वी कैन यूज. एक सिलेबस में नहीं है, इट इज डिलीटेड, बट वी हैव लर्न सो दैट वी कैन यूज. अदरवाइज क्या होगा कि हम लोग x कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल के, ध्यान से देखो, x कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल के x कोऑर्डिनेट से रेशियो निकालेंगे, then we have to use that ratio to get the value of y. But very easy method is area of triangle. A, B, C are collinear, so what is the area of triangle?
0.
0. तो एक बार देख लो, मैं एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ही यूज कर रहा हूँ. ध्यान से देखो, फर्स्ट 3, 4, second one is 5, 6, and the third one is -1 by, okay, and repeat the last first one, that is 3, 4, and this is equals to 0. इसको वर्टिकल में भी लिख सकते हो, हॉरिजॉन्टल में भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. वेट, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई का सिंबल कर लो, उसके बाद स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, राइट. हाफ इनटू स्टार्ट 18
minus
minus 20
plus 5y
very good plus 5y
plus 6
plus 6
minus 4
minus 4
minus 3y
minus 3y very good
plus 12
हो गया ना, is equals to 0. राइट, अभी देखो ये 2 जो है वो यहाँ पे इंटू कर देंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. अभी 5 का टर्म देखो, y का टर्म मेरे पास यहाँ पर 2 है, 5y minus 3y, so it will become 2y. Now constant term, this is 2 and this is minus 2, so what we are getting? 0. So 2y is equals to 0. That means y is also equals to 0. So which is the correct answer?
option D.
Option D. ये समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
See, you can't say that it is out of syllabus because we can solve by using section formula also. First find the ratio, then using that ratio find the value of y. Clear? Okay, fine. Now we are moving toward question number 11. If the distance between the point 8P43 is 5, then the value of P is dash. तो इसको एक मिनट में A ले रहा हूँ और इसको P ले रहा हूँ. Right, and the distance is 5. So AB is equals to 5. So AB square 25 हो जाएगा. Now we are going to write AB, right? AB square. So 8 minus 4 whole square. That will be 4 square 16. मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि steps are not required. Next P minus 3 whole square. So P square minus 6P plus 9, and this is equals to 25. Right? See carefully, 16 plus 9 is 25 and 25 will be eliminated and we will get only this one. So the factor of this is P into P minus 6. So we are getting two values, either P is equals to 6 or P is equals to 0. तो क्वेश्चन में लिखा भी हुआ है 6 भी दिया हुआ है, B भी 0 भी दिया हुआ है और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है both A and B. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward question number 12. What point on x-axis is equidistant from the point A and B. देखो एक रफ फिगर बना रहा हूँ मैं. Suppose this is a point on x-axis P और ये दोनों पॉइंट दिया हुआ है A और B. ठीक है. So that means AP is equals to BP is given. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? AP square is equals to BP square. Now the point is on x-axis. That means the coordinate of that point is x0. उसको मैं P ले रहा हूँ. Now see carefully. AP square is equals to BP square. Right. Now this will imply AP square. First we will start x minus 7 whole square. उसको मैं स्क्वायर कर दे रहा हूँ. x minus 7 whole square. So x square minus 14x plus 49. Right. Now next one is 0 minus 6 whole square. That is minus 6 whole square 36. So ये हो गया AP square. Next BP square. X minus of minus 3, that is x plus 3 whole square. So ये हो जाएगा x square plus 6x plus 9. ये समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 0 minus 4 whole square, that is minus 4 whole square, it will become 16. ठीक है. अभी x square और x square को हम लोग एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. ओके. And write all the x term on one side and constant to other side. So minus 14x, 6x को इधर शिफ्ट करो, minus 6x, and this will become 85 and this will become 25. So 25 minus 85. ये समझ में आ गया?
Minus 60.
Yes. So हम लोग को minus 20x is equals to minus 60 मिल रहा है. Right. So which option is the correct one? X का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है यहाँ पर?
3.
3. So answer is 30 ना? So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 13. If 4 vertices of a parallelogram taken in order are minus 3, minus 1, A, B, 3, 3 and 4, 3, then A is to B is what? So इसको हम लोग मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला से करेंगे. ध्यान से देखो, एक ऐसी रफ फिगर बना रहा हूँ मैं. This is the parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, and we know that in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. So ये जो O point है, point of intersection, O is the midpoint of AC also, O is the midpoint of BC also. Right. तो अभी ध्यान से देखो, मैं यहाँ पे A, B, C, D MCQ है, जितना शॉर्ट लिखना है लिख लो. Now AC का मिड पॉइंट ध्यान से देखो, -3 + 3 by 2 0. Okay, this is point midpoint of AC. -1 + 3 by 2, 2 by 2, 1, and this is equals to the midpoint of BD. A plus 4 by 2, A plus 4 by 2. Next, B plus 3 by 2, B plus 3 by 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now compare the coordinates. So A plus 4 हो जाएगा 0. A plus 4 हो जाएगा 0. That means the coordinate of A is -4. And B plus 3 हो जाएगा 2. B plus 3 is equals to 2. So B हो जाएगा -1.
1.
Now A is to B पूछा है. So that is -4 upon -1. That will be 4 by 1. So the correct option is
Option B.
option B. Right. So now
Sir,
we
I
are
have
moving.
one doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, in taking distance between A and C, 3 minus of -3 is
Pardon?
6 by. Sir, in taking midpoint of A and C, in x-axis we have to take 3 minus of -3 by 2, and that is 6 by 2.
-3 plus 3 है वो. x1 plus x2 by 2. So -3 plus 3 by 2 is 0 by 2 ना.
यस सर,
नहीं, डाउट क्या है तुम्हारा?
क्लियर हो गया सर।
Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward question number 14. I think तुम्हारा डाउट ये था कि -3 -6 हो रहा है. So we have to add, not subtract. Okay.
ओके सर,
Right. Now we are moving toward next question. Question number 14. The points 2, 5, 4, -1, 6, -7 are the vertices of an dash triangle. So इसको A ले लेते हैं और इसको B ले लेते हैं और इसको C ले लेते हैं. Right. So we are going to find all the three sides. Then only we can conclude. So let us start with AB square. Square लेने का फायदा ये है कि रूट नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा ना. So 4 minus 2 whole square, that is 2 square 4, minus 1 minus 5 whole square, that is minus 6 whole square, 36. So we are getting 40. Next we are going to find BC square. So BC square देख लेंगे यहाँ पर. 6 minus 4 whole square, that is 2 square 4, and minus 7 minus 1. So minus 7 plus 1 हो जाएगा. Minus 7 minus of minus 7 will become minus 7 plus 1, that is minus 6 whole square. So वो भी 36 हो जाएगा. So we got BC square is also 40. So दो side A पे equal हो गया. Now the last side is AC square. Right, AC. ये पूरे लाइन निकाल लेते हैं. Right, okay, fine. AC 6 minus 2 whole square, that is 4 square, 16. Next, minus 7 minus 5 whole square, minus 12 whole square, 144. So we are getting 160. Right. तो यहाँ पे ये दोनों का सम ये नहीं हो रहा है, that means it is not right triangle. Only two sides are equal. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. Very good. So now we are moving toward question number 15. If the origin is the midpoint of the line segment joined by the points 2, 3 and xy, then find the value of xy. ठीक है. तो इन दोनों का midpoint क्या होगा? देखो, first x plus 2 by 2 is equals to 0, first one, and the second one y plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. So first one में x plus 2 is equals to 0 हो जा रहा है, so x is equals to minus 2, and the second one y plus 3 is equals to 0, that means y is equals to minus 3. So which option is the correct one?
ऑप्शन डी।
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 16. The distance of the point from the x-axis. एक मिनट, यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों को ये confusion है. मैं इसलिए डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 1, 2, 3. ये बेसिक के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे 2, 3 ये पॉइंट होगा, ठीक है ना, यही है ना P पॉइंट. Now what is the distance of point P from x-axis? This distance 3, ठीक है. So ध्यान रखो, the distance of any point from the x-axis is y coordinate and distance of any point from the y-axis is x coordinate, right? So what is the answer here?
ऑप्शन बी।
Option B, right. अगर इसी क्वेश्चन में y एक्सिस होता तो आंसर होता 2, that is a bit, right. So now we are moving toward the next question. The distance between the points A and B is dash. So ध्यान से देखो, 0 minus 0 whole square 0, minus 2 minus 6 whole square is 8, minus 8 square, so you will get 64. इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना 8. So option D is the correct answer. Now we are moving toward question number 18. The distance of the point P, that is minus 6, 8 from the origin is dash. Okay, so origin has 0, 0. So -6 -0 is -6 only. -6 square हो जाएगा 36. Now 8 minus 0 square, that will become 64, and the sum of this is 100. अब इसका square root निकालना. 10, right. So the correct option is C. Now we are moving toward question number 19. The distance between the points 0, 5, -5, 0 is dash. Okay. So यहाँ पे एक मिनट, ये है 5√2 एक्चुअल में. This option is 5√2 and this option is 2√5. Fine. अब देखो -5 -0 whole square, so that will become 25. Okay, and 0 -5 होगा, उसका भी स्क्वायर 25 होगा.
25.
Right. तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना डिस्टेंस के लिए. So that is root over 50. So what is the correct answer? Root 50?
Option
5√2, right, option B. Now we are moving toward question number 20. AOB is a rectangle whose three vertices are A03, 00, 50. ध्यान से देखो, ये मैं एक ऐसी रफ डायग्राम बता रहा हूँ. This is 00. Okay, and suppose this is 03 and this is 50. The third coordinate is given and the fourth coordinate will be, खैर fourth coordinate का हम लोग यहाँ पे use नहीं है. The reason is that the diagonal of rectangles are equal. A rectangle are equal. Both the diagonals are equal. So we can find AB, this one. So ध्यान से देखो, this is 5 and this is 3. Okay. So we have to find this one. We can use Pythagoras theorem directly, or you can use distance formula. No problem. So 5 square plus 6 square. 5 square plus 3 square. तो यहाँ पे देखो, ये √34 है एक्चुअल में. ठीक है, 25 plus 9, 34. So the correct option is C. यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है थोड़ा सा. This question is clear to all of you?
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 21. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0 is dash. So इसका भी एक रफ डायग्राम बना लेते हैं हम लोग. Suppose this is origin 0, 0 and this point is 0, 4 and the next point is given 3, 0. इसको ले लेते हैं 3, 0 and इसको A ले लेते हैं, इसको B ले लेते हैं और the last coordinate I am going to take C. So BC. So perimeter means the sum of all the three sides. So इसका 3 हो गया, distance इसका 4 हो गया. तो Pythagorean triplet पता है, 5 आएगा यहाँ पर. So now 4 plus 5 plus 3, that is 12. Okay. तो यहाँ पे एक correction है. Actually में 7 plus 5 is also 12 and 12 is also there in the option. Okay. तो इसको केवल 7 कर दो. So answer is B. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward the next question. The points -4, 0, 4, 0, 0, 3 are the vertices of a dash triangle. So we have to find all the three sides. So A, B, C ले रहा हूँ मैं. So first AB square, AB square, right. So 4 minus of -4, that is 8 square, 64 plus 0, 64 only. Next BC square, 4 minus 0, 4 square, 0 minus 3 square. So BC square हो जाएगा 16 plus 9, that is 25. And the last one is AC, -4, 0, -4 minus 0, -4 whole square, 16, 0, minus 3 whole square, that is 9. So we are getting AC square is also 25, that is 16 plus 9. So दो sides यहीं पे equal हो गया, square root of this 2 are equal. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B, that is isosceles triangle. Now we are moving toward the next question, question number 23. A point P divides the joint of A, B, R in the ratio 3:1. The coordinates of P is dash. So ध्यान से देखो, मैं x coordinate पहले निकाल रहा हूँ. We are going to find x coordinate. M2 x1, that is 27. M1 x2, right, and M2 x1 plus 5 upon M1 plus M2, that is 4. So कितना आ रहा है देखो, 32 by 4. What is the answer?
8.
8. So मैं y नहीं निकाल रहा हूँ, सीधा इसको टिक कर दे रहा हूँ. क्यों? Why?
Only in that
Be-
option x is equal to 8.
Because in all the option x coordinates are different. So I got x is equals to 8. अगर चाहे तो इसको एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर लो. देखो m1 x2 that is 3 into 9 27 and m2 x1 that is 1 into 5 is 5. 27 plus 5 is 32 by 4 is 8. So my answer is B. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, you can check y coordinate also. You can start from y coordinate because y coordinates are also different in all the options. ठीक है. So now we are moving toward question number 24. The distance of the point 4 minus 3 from the origin is dash unit. तो origin होता है 0 0. So 4 minus 0 whole square is 16. Minus 3 minus 0 minus 3 square is 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25 and the square root of 25 is
5.
5 units. So correct answer is C bit. Now the next question, 25th question. Line formed by joining -1 1 and 5 7 is divided by this line in the ratio that we have to find. So ratio एक बार हम लोग लेते हैं. Let the ratio is k is to 1. So we will find first x coordinate. ध्यान से देखो, m1 x2 that is 5k, m2 x1 that is -1 upon k plus 1. Now we are going to find y coordinate. Y coordinate is, इसको हटा देते हैं एक मिनट, right, m1 y2 that is 7k, m2 y1 that is plus 1 upon k plus 1. ये समझ में आ गया x और y?
Yes, sir.
Now this x and y we have to substitute here. So I am going to substitute. See, 5k minus 1 plus 7k plus 1. इसमें डिनोमिनेटर जो कॉमन है उसको राइट साइड में शिफ्ट कर दो, तो ये हो जाएगा 4 into k plus 1 that is 4k plus 4. If this is clear, we will proceed.
Yes, sir.
So 5k plus 7k is 12k और -1 plus 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 4k को भी यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दो and this is equals to 4. So what we are going to get, 8k is equals to 4. So what is the value of k?
1/2.
1 by 2, that is 1 is to 2. So the correct answer is C bit, right. Next we are going to moving toward question number 26. Point A minus 5 6 is at a distance of dash units from the dash. So सब में origin है ना, तो हम लोग origin ही ले लेते हैं. Origin से कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं इसका कितना आ रहा है. See, -5 0 square 25. 6 minus 0 whole square 36. Square root of this is the answer. What is the final answer?
Root 60.
Right.
61.
Root 61. So the correct option is C bit. Now we are moving toward question number 27. The end points of a diameter of circle are -2, 4 and -3, -1. The radius of the circle is. So we know that the radius is half of diameter. So what we are going to find? We are going to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay? चलो इसको मान लेते हैं A और इसको B. So I am writing D as diameter, right? So 2 minus of -3, that is +3, 5 square 25, plus 4 minus of -1, that is +1. ठीक है? So 4 plus 1 5 square, फिर 25 हो गया. Square root लगेगा यहाँ पे. So that means root 50. What is root 50?
5
Right. 5 root 2. And which option is the correct one? Which option? Option A, right. We will not take plus minus, right? Why? Because the length is never negative. So the correct answer is 5 root 2 by 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are moving toward question number 28. The ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5, 4, 2, -3 is dash. So ratio मैं ले रहा हूँ k is to 1, and we know that on x-axis y is 0. So I am going to take y coordinate, right? So y coordinate हो जाएगा m1 y2, that is -3k, plus m2 y1, that is +4, upon k plus 1. So k plus 1 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा, and what we are going to get -3k plus 4 is equals to 0. So what is the value of k?
4 by 3.
4 by
4 by
3.
3.
Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option
D. Right. Any doubt here?
no, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 29. The point which divides the line segment joining the points 3, -6 and 3, 4 in the ratio 1:2 internally lies in the dash quadrant. So हम लोग को points निकालना पड़ेगा. So start करते हैं x coordinate से. We will start with x coordinate. M1 x2, that is 3, plus M2 x1, that is +14, upon M1 plus M2, that is 3. So we are getting 17 upon 3, positive value. Right. Now we will find y coordinate. ध्यान से देखो. Y coordinate M1 y2, that is 4, M2 y1, that is -12, upon 3. So we are getting -8 by 3. So x is positive but y is negative. Which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Very good, fourth quadrant. Okay. So now we are moving toward the last question of today's session, 30th question. The point which lie on the perpendicular bisector of the line joining the points A and B is. देखो perpendicular जो bisector जो होता है वो AB के mid point से पास होता है, ठीक है? तो that means we have to find mid point only. So ध्यान से देखो, -2 plus 2 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0. तो अभी x कोऑर्डिनेट में दो जगह पे 0 है, सो वी कैन नॉट चूज ब्लाइंडली. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज -5 plus 5 by 2, that is also 0. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option A. Right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. So in the next session, that is tomorrow on Sunday, I will take the another set of questions from this chapter. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.